What is
Keep
it?
going that way.
Yeah. That's what I told you if you can. But only this way because it's in there. You scratch on your car.
What is it? What is it? Ang tering. Ang tering.
Ah, pwede mo sila eh.
What is it?
Okay, we're parked here. That's why
Park where?
here because Mama's house there in the forest. Just go there. Yeah, there. You can park there and then or
Where can I park?
Or
Oh,
he-
by the cow?
I maybe this here.
I don't know how far I can go here.
It's not far. It's just like only 50, 100 meters.
Is
or
it safe to drive through here?
It's not safe. There, it's not safe. You just drive over here. We just walk over there. It's not far
I
behind of these
don't-
mountains.